Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something so completely different. Like, this is intense. This is like, okay, I got all these colors on my eyes and I'm just like, girl, this is not something that I normally do, but I love it so much. I'm so glad I did it. It's just like, it was so much fun making this. Honestly, it was sort of frustrating, but at the same time so fun. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I make new videos. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, which is something that I would normally not do, make sure you keep on watching it. And also, if you stay to the end, there's a little something about a giveaway. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much.
Running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, no. Keep running.
Okay guys, so once everything's all done, this is what your eyes should look like, something similar to this. We're gonna go ahead and like jump into my face products. Actually, I saw this at Walmart and I really wanted to try it out. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go, and it's a 2-in-1 primer and setting spray. So we're gonna try it out. Okay, so today we're gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation. Don't know what it is. Maybelline, and I'm using the shade 334 Warm Sun. I sort of got a tan, so I want to go up a color. I went up like a color. I think it was maybe 2 colors, because of the fact that I have been swimming lately. So I just got this one, so let's hope that it matches me. But we're gonna go ahead and go in with my Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade 20 Sand.
Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud.
I'm gonna take the same beauty blender because honestly, I don't know, I just don't like doing that. Going with my blue one for my concealer.
Dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, no. Keep running.
That right here in this area because I do get smile lines right here. Okay guys, and to bronze my face, I like this NYC Smooth Skin Bronzer in the shade Sunny, but I am too dark for it right now, so I'm gonna mix it in with my BH Studio Pro powder. This is a powder foundation in the shade 250, but this is way too orange, and so I'm gonna like mix these together because I really do like this one for the winter time when I get light enough for it. For contour, I am going to take my City Colors Matte Bronzer. It says bronzer, but it's like really cool tone, so I can't use it as a bronzer, of course. So I'm going to take my Real Technique contour brush and just tap that in there. Today I got the L'Oreal Infallibles blush palette. I'm going with my BH Cosmetics Angled Brush, and I love this one for applying blush with. So I'm just take this one and I'm gonna take these two.
Running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, no.
For highlight, I'm actually gonna use one of my Esa Beauty highlights in the shade Basa. Apply some on the back of my hand. And just take my finger and Okay guys, and then I'm gonna go in with this little highlighter, and it's by JLB Cosmetics. I found like this at Ross. It was like a set of 4 for really cheap. I can't remember exactly, but this one is in the shade Amber Light, and I'm going to take a little eye blending brush, and they have like a little mirror on them so that way you can see what you're applying. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm going to outline my lips with this Wet n Wild Color Iconic lip liner. I got it at like Walmart for like 98 cents in the shade Brandy Wine.
Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth.
We're gonna go in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Canis.
Run, dangerous, but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running
low. Okay guys, so this is pretty much it. This is the finished look. Okay you guys, so this is the finished look. This is what we came out with in the end. I don't know how I'm feeling about it yet. Like, I'm looking at my face and I'm like a little intense for me. I'm usually like super warm tone, super natural, super neutral. But today I actually had so much fun doing this. Like, I love it so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And if you made it this far in the video, then there will be a giveaway on my channel pretty soon, coming up in like these next couple of weeks. And I want to give away like a couple of makeup palettes and stuff, like eyeshadow palettes, contour palettes and stuff, some blush palettes, and a couple of my Esa Beauty highlighters. Esa Beauty highlighters are being discontinued. We're no longer going to be making them. We sold 5 batches, and each batch sold out like that same day, if not that same day, the next day, and I was just like so grateful. So yeah, maybe some clothing, because y'all know I do make some dope t-shirts. So maybe it's gonna be some t-shirts, some I don't know, I want to mix in a couple of stuff. We have gotten a whole bunch of brand new stuff for the store that we still haven't put on the website. We're waiting on some clothing, we're waiting on some jewelry, we're waiting on some shoes and some purses. So yeah, you know, y'all stay checking it out. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay, you know, atentos, like hit the notifications, you know, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that little bell so y'all can get notified on the next coming up video. And y'all make sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and on Snapchat. All of them are Esa Beauty XOXO. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye, me true love.